Good afternoon. Welcome. When conducting financial investigations, it is critical to be accurate, comprehensive, and quick. Gaining access to and reconciling bank transactions can add hours, if not days, worth of time to investigations. We are here today with Chris McCall, CEO and founder of Valid8 Financial, one of the 2021 AI CPA and CPA.com startup accelerator companies, to discuss how technology can help speed up and streamline the process of data preparation for financial investigations. Chris, thank you so much for being here with us today to discuss how Valid8 Financial eliminates data prep work associated with finding and analyzing evidence of financial records.
Yeah, thank you. Great to be here, Casey.
So, Chris, could you first tell us a little bit about the pain points that Valid8 strives to alleviate?
Yeah, great. Would love to. So, as an accounting professional, your opinions need to be based on evidence, which means you can't just go get one type of data and do your work. You need to look at multiple sources, specifically evidence from independently verified third-party sources. Well, that creates a lot of challenges, and oftentimes you just can't go look at all of that data. So you make assumptions and you do things like sampling, or you look at a limited set of the data. So what we've done and what our vision is at Valid8 is to eliminate sampling from the accounting profession. We believe that with technology, you can go get all of the data, and leveraging the right software, you can transform it into an integrated transaction database on which to base your opinion. So that's essentially what our platform does. It's a data collection platform to go get both evidence and client accounting records and combine them into an integrated transaction database.
And extracting data from bank statements is obviously extremely tedious work, prone to errors. How does Valid8 make sense of those data inputs to save time during investigations, and how much time can really be saved?
Yeah, it's a great question. Bank statements contain just a wonderful amount of evidence that can be leveraged, but they're highly underutilized because of exactly the reason that you described. They're really tough to work with. So what we've done is built machine learning on top of OCR to recognize text strings that come off of that document, and then identify things like beginning balance, ending balance versus a transaction, so that after we do the extraction, we can actually reconcile and understand that everything's 100% accurate, to give you the confidence that you can use that as real evidence. Then we've designed algorithms to actually match that into things like the cash journal from the client's accounting records, so that you can automate a lot of the verification and vouching procedures that are required for both investigations and audit.
Excellent. Chris, as an early stage startup, and we've known each other for many years and we've had our eye on you for quite a while, what are your thoughts on why it's important that CPAs and firms are embracing new technologies and new ways of working?
Well, the first is, we all work in the accounting profession. Everybody's a professional, and the whole objective of the profession is to inject trust and transparency into the financial system. So first and foremost, technology gives the profession an opportunity to really elevate the quality and the value that they're delivering in their engagements. So just embracing new technology allows you to do more, to add more value. That's number one. And then number two, if you're smart about it, you can really improve your bottom line by doing more and enhancing your services. There's an opportunity to actually charge more, but decrease the amount of work required to actually do it. So that's going to have a dramatic impact to your bottom line. So both the profession can provide more value by using these new solutions, along with being a more profitable firm.
Which is obviously the ultimate goal, but we both know adopting new technology can feel very overwhelming at times, especially in today's day and age. What's your advice for our audience today who want to take steps towards adopting a new technology, but can feel a little time strapped or just overwhelmed at how fast technology is moving these days?
Yeah, it's just a couple strategies that first is just, one step at a time. Look for areas and specific procedures that you can automate. It may not be like a full retool of an audit procedure, or you're going to do an investigation in a completely different way. Just look for those elements that you can get value out of. You may not use the full solution set that you're looking at, and just be very specific about it. Also, look for those folks in your firm that are very savvy and comfortable with technology, that want to use new things, because there is a curve to learn and understand something differently, but there's also lots of people willing and wanting to do that. So take advantage of that and let them help be the vanguard of trying some of these new things out.
Excellent. Yeah, good advice, because a lot of firms do try to take on everything at once, which will lead obviously to feeling overwhelmed. So Chris, talk to me about, how has your experience been being part of the AICPA, CPA.com's 2021 Accelerator? Any advice for other entrepreneurs out there?
Yeah, it's been a really fantastic experience for us. Our solution is centered and very specific to the accounting profession in general. So being associated with not only the network that the Accelerator brings, and just the knowledge that the mentors have, but giving us that access point into the profession just generally has been a huge help. And the other thing that I'd like to comment, as an entrepreneur, you get a lot of invites for a lot of different accelerators out there. This one is unique because not only is it specialized to the accounting profession, but more importantly, it's run in a very lightweight way. That's really important. Some accelerators can be overbearing and require a lot of effort to get out of it. What you guys have done at CPA.com has made it really easy to dovetail in, and very helpful in terms of marketing and things like this, setting up with not a lot of effort on our part to contribute. So all of that has made it a really valuable experience to us, and thank you for that. We really appreciate it.
Good to hear. It's been our pleasure working with you over the past 6-7 months. But thank you so much, Chris. And if you'd like to learn more about Valid8, we will actually have a session, and Chris and team will be on site at Engage. You can learn more at our website, CPA.com/accelerator, about Valid8, as well as all of the other cohort. The link is in the comment section for this post. And thank you again, Chris. Look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas.
Thank you, Casey. Really appreciate it.